Apple is not slowing down after the iPhone 16 lineup because digital chat station on Vivo revealed that iPhone 17e is already in the works and could shake up the budget smartphone market in 2025. Unlike the Pro models that dominate headlines, the E series is Apple's clever move to target users who crave the iPhone's experience without paying premium prices. And this next chapter looks far more ambitious than before. The iPhone 17e is rumored to feature a sharp and colorful 6.1-inch OLED display, which is a major upgrade for budget buyers, though it will stick to a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, keeping it slightly behind the Pro series, but still modern enough to deliver smooth visuals. On the camera side, Apple seems determined to prove that affordable does not mean weak. Leaks say the front will pack a 12 megapixel selfie shooter with Face ID, while the rear gets a powerful 48 megapixel main camera, putting serious photography into the hands of those who don't want to spend over $1,000. The most exciting part might be the design. Whispers suggest a brand new look that sets it apart from last year's 16e, making it more stylish and appealing for first-time iPhone buyers or anyone upgraded for an older SE. Inside, the iPhone 17e could run on a trimmed-down version of Apple's upcoming A19 chip, the same series powering the flagship iPhone 17 models. This means the phone will not just look modern but will also deliver faster speeds, better efficiency, and long-term iOS support, which is the key reason many people choose Apple over Android. Other details like battery size, charging speed, and durability remain under wraps, but Apple is known for keeping such upgrades quiet until launch. What's clear is that the iPhone 17e will serve as Apple's big push to dominate mid-range markets worldwide, giving buyers a balance of power, performance, and price. If leaks are right, this affordable beast will launch in spring 2026 with a starting price expected around $499, making it one of the most talked about iPhones of the year. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.